I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with US Storage Centers, and they're looking for a sales center representative. For this job, you will respond to all incoming telephone calls for company-wide inquiries. You will set reservations and holds by working with customers' needs and demands. You will answer inquiries by clarifying desired information, researching, locating, and providing information. You will resolve problems by clarifying issues, researching and exploring answers and alternative solutions, implementing solutions, and escalating unresolved problems. You will fulfill requests by clarifying desired information, forwarding requests to facility and management appropriately. You will assist customers with any technical issues that are experienced with the website. You'll maintain call center database by entering information into company programs. You will effectively communicate with management and fellow associates. In addition to this, periodic special projects and duties may be assigned based on company need and requirements, and you must be able to perform a variety of duties, often changing from one task to another, with frequent interruptions or distractions and within tight deadlines. Please note that regular worksite attendance in accordance with company's attendance policy is required for this position. Regarding the education and experience requirements, you must have a high school diploma. Some college is preferred. Previous telesales experience is a plus, but not required. Prior call center experience is preferred, but not required. Retail sales and marketing experience is preferred, but not required. And a successful record of sales accomplishments and marketing skills in the self-storage and retail industry is preferred, but not required. Regarding the required skills for this job, you must have excellent interpersonal, written, and oral communication skills. You must have excellent listening skills and the ability to ask probing questions, understand concerns, and overcome objections. You must possess the eagerness and work ethic to succeed in a customer service environment and be a self-motivated starter. You must be professional and have a friendly attitude and be able to quickly develop a rapport with customers over the phone. You must be able to learn and navigate new software. And you must be able to type 30 words per minute. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include generous paid time off, paid ongoing professional development and training, and a 401k plan with employer match. This is a part-time position with the pay range from $17 to $20 an hour. The next job is with DigiPulse Media Solutions, and they are looking for a customer service representative. For this job, you will be responsible for handling customer inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring customer satisfaction. You will also provide support to customers and strive to enhance the overall customer experience. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have customer service representatives and customer support skills. You must have customer satisfaction and customer experience skills. You must have excellent interpersonal and communication skills. You must be able to problem solve and multitask effectively. Experience in a customer-facing role is a plus. And you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. This is a part-time position. The next job is with PathArc, and they are looking for a customer service representative. Regarding the duties and responsibilities for this job, you must be able to provide excellent customer care and focus, and be able to assess customer needs and provide the correct answer, path, troubleshooting, or method for a positive customer service experience. You will answer and manage incoming calls, emails, chats, and/or interactive voice response systems. You must be able to learn and follow all customer service procedures and policies. You must strive to meet and go above personal and team target goals. You must be able to record, organize, and file customer interactions and account changes. You must be able to upsell if needed. And you must be able to schedule callback and appoints to resolve customer needs. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have previous experience in customer support, client services, sales, or a related field. You must be excellent at communicating over the phone and other communication platforms. You must have basic computer skills and experience. You must be able to multitask. You must have excellent time management and prioritization skills. You must be able to listen actively, relay information, and answer questions and/or concerns. And you must be customer focused for positive customer experience and resolution. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include health insurance, an excellent retirement plan, tremendous upward mobility into other positions and management, and flexible hours. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Annuity Health, and they're looking for an account resolution representative. Regarding the duties and responsibilities for this job, you'll maintain a professional tone and respectful demeanor during all patient or authorized party communications by delivering exceptional patient-focused patient service at all times. You will strictly adhere to the company's compliance guidelines and expectations to include local, state, and federal requirements. You will comply with the company's cost structure expectations, including, but not limited to, proper collection steps and techniques. You will achieve all assigned goals. You will properly identify individual account situations and provide appropriate resolution. You will correctly status accounts and update applicable windows and fields within those accounts for potential follow-up. You'll provide relevant information by accurately utilizing all available tools and resources to assist in account resolution. You'll keep route maintenance backlog at an acceptable level. You will recognize pressing issues and escalate to management as they occur. You will work well with team members and management and not contribute to unproductive group conflict or negativity. You will represent the company in a positive manner through professional conduct, attitude, and appearance. You will follow company confidentiality and security policies and procedures. You will understand and comply with company policies and procedures. And you'll perform other duties as assigned by management. Regarding the required skills and knowledge for this position, previous collection experience is preferred. You must have excellent communication skills. You must have basic computer skills. You must have customer service skills. You must have conflict resolution skills. And you must have high attention to detail. In addition to this, you must have either a high school diploma or a general education development certificate. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include health, dental, and vision benefits, HSA and FSA accounts, voluntary insurance, paid holidays, PTO, and a 401k. The pay range for this job is from $16 to $26. This is a full-time position. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.